Hello again, everyone. This will be my second video. As you can see, I used a couple of plugs for this project. I love using my Leatherman multi-tool, but on the website I was able to find some attachments for Leatherman tools for screwdrivers and whatnot. But I find it so hard to use just Leatherman multi-tool as a screwdriver. It's very inconvenient because its thickness is too bulky. So I made a video about a little thing that I made, a little attachment. It ratchets. So take a look. These are the series of pictures that I took of a process of making the ratchet system for the attachment. So this is a little spring that goes inside of the. Like I said, I used the coupler plug. I grind it down, cut it up. This is part of it. Made a hole. That's where the ratchet system actually fits in. I'll show you as it comes out, so that the pin actually fits inside like so. And the pin actually moves up and down, and it has that little catch for the ratchet system. So there it is in the making, and that piece can be attached to any of these knives or the short screwdrivers. I didn't have to make any modifications, just the attachment. There you can see the little ratchet system. There's a little grooves that goes in, and it turns and it completes the ratchet system. So there's almost the final product right there that fits over the smallest knife. So you can carry that attachment on the side and actually use it to use as a screwdriver. It has I made the tip quarter-inch, so all the universal attachments, all the tips will fit in there, extensions, what have you. So you don't have to worry about that. So any of those store-bought, the Phillips screwdrivers, flat screwdrivers, even these, the quarter-inch ratchet can be attached to it. And I made a couple more ratchet tip, as you will. Much more simpler. It's not out of. I found that grinding down the plug and making the quarter-inch was too much of hassle. So I made a couple more out of this quarter-inch socket and attachments. And bottom part remained the same general idea. And I used this magnet. It fits, the smallest magnet fits right inside the quarter-inch socket. So I glue that down so that the tips will be magnetized, so you won't fall out. It has real nice, strong pull to it. So you'll have you'll have to really tug the tip take it out. It has a real nice, secure, nice magnetized pull to it. So love the feel of that. Just pulls it right in and fits snugly. It has a certain kind of satisfaction to that. So I love the magnet part, and it's just actually that's the final product. And just a little more sanding down and polishing and stuff, but generally you'll get the idea. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much.